Colleen Medrano, and I am the Interim Executive Director of the Downtown Management District. The mission of Mural Fest is to promote the development of murals and public art in downtown Corpus Christi. Every brushstroke represents collaboration, pride, and a collective vision for a brighter, more connected city. Mural Fest is more than an art festival. It's a platform for youth, local artists, and neighbors to be seen and heard. It brings visitors to our city, supports small businesses and creativity, and fosters civic pride. When you ask yourself, how can you stay engaged as a community? You can do so by supporting the arts and continuing to invest in the power of our connection, because when art and community come together, our entire city thrives.
My name's Michelle Smythe. I'm the Executive Director of K-Space Contemporary. This mural is called Windows of the Coastal Bend, and it represents various symbols of the coastal bend. They are painted to look like stained glass windows. And since stained glass windows are activated by light, we wanted to express that, the light of the coastal bend.
My name's Chris Bingham. I'm from Dallas, Texas. So the mural I'm working on has a lot of different facets to it. It's got a combination of like torn origami papers that kind of show different styles of waves being revealed with shadows underneath to kind of give it a little bit of depth. And then behind the origami papers is some Spanish tile that kind of ties into the development of Corpus Christi when it was founded. And then on top, it being Mariposa Park, I have origami butterflies that are going to be sitting on top of everything to make it look like they're standing out.
My name is Carraway. I'm from Denver, Colorado. The mural behind me that I'm painting in Corpus is it's sort of a collage of a car called the Apollo 3500, which was the building owner. It's special to him, and he kind of wanted it in there, and so we're kind of working on just sort of a piece that features it in a way that also has my style added to it.
Hi, I'm Chris Alvarez.
And I'm Courtney Hicks. We're a married couple from Atlanta, Georgia, and as a mural team, we're FoxySwine. So the mural we're working on now was inspired by just the environment of Corpus Christi being so near the water. We wanted to include bright colors to reflect the fish of the Gulf, a lot of flowing water lines to really carry the energy of, you know, the water and just the community.
Itself,
yeah.
I am Mandi, aka Miss Birdy, and I'm from Columbus, Ohio. When asked to paint this mural, I was told that Corpus Christi is known for their historical music scene. So I really wanted to create a piece of a woman that was super strong, impassioned, with flowers around her. And I just really wanted to create something that embodied music and the emotionality that comes with it.